Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today we're going to discuss 5 common preventive maintenance issues. It is important to consider preventive maintenance of your home's systems will many times extend the life of these systems. Preventive maintenance will also reduce the likelihood of damage from neglected systems falling into disrepair. Water heaters and HVAC systems being your heating and cooling system, are 2 home systems that deserve the most attention. First, because of the expense to replace these systems, and second, because of the potential damage that can be caused by not properly maintaining these systems. Electric water heaters have roughly a 10-year life cycle. The main point with water heaters is plan accordingly for a replacement and make sure there's a drain pan underneath the actual water heater. This drain pan should also have a drain line to allow leaking water to escape. A wet drain pan is an indication of a leaking water heater, and this water heater needs to be replaced immediately. Preventive maintenance for HVAC systems, as compared to water heaters, can extend the life cycle of most systems and also enhance the system's performance. Depending on what type of system you have, the life cycle can range from 14 years to 20 years. It is money well spent to contract with a licensed HVAC company to service your systems in the fall and spring. This type of preventive maintenance can add years to most systems. Part of this HVAC preventive maintenance should include clearing and cleaning any condensation lines. Stopped up condensation lines cause many thousands of dollars in water damage each year. Now that we have discussed 2 major home systems, let's discuss home appliances and preventive maintenance that can benefit a homeowner. Washing machines and refrigerator ice makers have water supply lines that need to be inspected and replaced regularly. Manufacturers recommend every 3 to 5 years on replacing. These water lines are the most common to break and cause home damage. This type of water line can be replaced by a novice with a little bit of work and some tutelage from YouTube. Lastly, and possibly the most important, dryer vent cleaning. The National Fire Protection Association states that between 2010 and 2014 that there were close to 16,000 home fires involving clothes and dryers in the United States. Hiring a contractor to clean your clothes dryer vent on a regular basis has not only reduced the likelihood of fire, but will improve the energy efficiency of your clothes dryer. This efficiency will possibly save you enough in energy costs to pay for the contractor to clean your vent.